Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the two-factor authentication for your account on CloudConvert in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to CloudConvert, and you will need to be logged into your account, of course. Once that's done, click into your username in the top right and select Dashboard. And here what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your account settings on the left-hand side and click into Security. Next, here at the bottom of the menu, you will see the two-factor authentication. So if you'd like to use it, for instance, as an extra layer of security whenever you log into your account, in addition to your account password. Now, what you want to do, guys, is you will need an authenticator app to use the two-factor authentication. Once that's done, for example, you can get one, for instance, from the Google Play Store, navigate to Google Play Store, or from the App Store. It depends on which device you're using. Let's say you head over to Google Play, type in Authenticator app here, and then you can use the Google Authenticator, for example. Download it on your device, install it, and then return. And here, you guys, what you want to do is click into Enable 2FA, or two-factor authentication. And what will be required after that, guys, you will receive a one-time password via the Authenticator app, for example, from Google or from Microsoft Store, and you will need to enter it here, right? With your current password. So you need both. You need that one-time password. You will be sent via the Authenticator app, as well as the current password. You can enter both here. And of course, guys, you will need to before you do that, of course, you will need to activate your account in the Authenticator app. You can do that by using either that code here or by using that QR code, so that the Authenticator app you have downloaded onto your device knows that, yeah, this is the user who wants to log in via 2FA and that one-time password on his or her device. And then you will receive that one-time password from that app we just talked about. And in the final step, enter your password to enable 2FA. And that's how it is. That's how we activate 2FA, two-factor authentication for your account on CloudConvert. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.